This is Herring Cove, 422 acres. The area. These are the GeoNB Provincial Park boundaries. And that's down below St. Andrews, near Lebec, Dahlia. This is almost 8 hectares in Grand Manan. Pearl Falls, up to here. It's about 9 acres. Another provincial park there. Public, it's up north near near Saint Jacques. You got your Mataquac near Fredericton. Another 544 acre site. Quite a large site. There's a dam here. French Village. Most of the Mataquac is a nice beach. Grew up there. Mount Carleton. It's probably one of the biggest areas. It's over 17,000 hectares in the province. Huge area. Then you got Murray Beach, near where my wife's from. Near Murray Corner. If you want to know where that is, near the Cape Torrington. Right over here. There's the Confederation Bridge. Beautiful beach. New River Beach. Looked at a study there. Good habitat study. That area, it's 330 acres. It's down by Ace Bay, west of La Proie. Then you got Oak Bay. Smaller 13.8 hectare site. Again, near Benson Corner or Simpson Corner. Then you got Parley Beach. It's Parley Beach from Shediac. It's a small site though, 64 hectares, but it's very scattered. If you look at the scattering at Parley Beach, very scattered. And the Anchorage, again another provincial. This doesn't include the federal, so just to keep in mind, there's no federal parks here. This is 157 hectares rather. This is in Grand Manan, and then the famous Hopewell Rocks with the largest tides in the world. And this is thought it would be a larger site, but it's only 138 hectares. So it's again, it's all coastline. You see a lot of the great tides that they have, and from the rising sea, Sugarloaf, go way up north again. Ski at Sugarloaf, Campbellton. And it's quite a large site, 1,140 hectares. So it's very large, just south of Campbellton, this whole area. Balcamo, another great beach, a hidden beach on the way to, you go out toward Tracadie Sheila, Macacarrickit, stop on the way of Balcamo, and you can go right up the beach here. It's amazing. Amazing beach that a lot of people don't know about. And it was a very long beach. And then you got St. Croix. And my sister canoes this area, but a very small 5 hectare site. And that's along just across from St. Croix Island. And Cape and Rage, another provincial park. And that small 7 hectare site, which is beautiful views. To get there, West River, Germantown, Beaverbrook, Riverside, Albert. Very remote site with beautiful views. Cape and Range. Winter Law, historic site. It's 8 hectares. just outside of Rishabukto, and it was a beautiful water view, historic site, Oak House. It's a small 0.82 hectare site, but it's got a new revised barn, and it's in the Doketown, and grindstones in the front entrance of a new tourism center is a great new addition to Doketown for historic heritage in the community. And then McDonald Farm, where I'm from, River Shee, it's got a 55 hectare site right at the Barty Bow, which is a great fishing river, by the way. Barty Bow in Minister's Island, and it's a 207 hectare site. It's in the south. There is a road that's tidal based. You can only get over there at a low tide, so I remember. And beautiful island. It's quite a lot of history near St. Andrews, Minister's Island. Miscou just came from there. I was working as a kid at ADI, 17. We designed the bridge for that, and my dad and I helped with the lighthouse and the motel that's here, and the beautiful beaches along here. There's surf fishing just along the beach here, and at the campground for striped bass. There's a campground over here, and the locals say around the harbor is really good too. So the Miscou Harbor, and we stop into the tourist information center. It's a great island to visit. And the Sheriff's Andrews House. That is in St. Andrews, very small, 0.138 hectares. I think it's the smallest provincial site we have in the province. And then Acadian Village, very famous in the north. Great tours, great heritage of Acadian. And it's near the Bertrand and Rivière du Nord. Anyways, if you go up toward again Caracat, you can get to there pretty easily. A couple of ways to get there, but Packetville is another way to get there too. Coming from the south. And finally, the big one is the Fundy Trail, 2,543 acres of mountain bike. This is a beautiful area. Salmon River visits. Anyways, I recommend Funny Trail if you're an outdoor enthusiast. Beaches are amazing. Anyways, so that's a tour of the Provincial Parks with GeoNB.